Well, congratulations, my comrades. They say that fast food workers are the joke of society. Yet, however, we now control one of the most wealthy American industries ever. Isn't it so bittersweet?
Yeah, and it kind of smells like, French fries.
The time will come when the bird is the side dish of any meal. Any value meal, that is. Sir? Oh, Ronald. How nice to see you. You better not mess anything up for me, bird. I have a lot going for me here. Ronald. We used to be like this, and now we're like this. So far away. I would wish to think of you as my old friend. But it seems you care more about burgers than me these days. Hey, no. Oh, yes. Hey, bird. Come on, bird, old buddy, don't soak. Say, would you like to try a bonus meal? Why ask that as if you can influence my decision right before I order? Okay. Hey, what would you like then? I'll have a small Sprite with a... stupid... Sorry, something's not right with my communicator. I'm getting a hissing noise or something. I said I'll have a small Sprite. Speak up, please. What would you like, sir? Hey, Commander. No offense, but would you mind putting in an order for us? Oh, fine. What do you want? I want 7 supersized special sandwiches. The Sunday special.
Oh, with a sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, yeah.
And a strawberry shake.
You're doing this on purpose! Commander, come on.
Yeah, it was just a joke.
Yeah, my organization doesn't have time for jokes.
Yeah.
Sorry, Commander. What treachery. Ow. What stupidity is that Ronald up to? I'm going to the drive-thru. Maybe then I'll get some decent service. Hey!
Wait for us!
No, you fools! You'll only hinder our agent. I'm going solo.
Huh?
I don't know. Beats me.